Hi, folks. Hope you are doing good. In the last video, I showed how to create a custom model from ServiceNow data. So we had incident table data where we were using short descriptions to predict the impact of the incident. I used this Kaggle notebook to create that model and upload it on Hugging Face. In this video, basically what we have that model up running in Hugging Face. We want to use it to do the prediction. Now, if you are interested in how we created this custom model, please check my other video. The links are in description. But if you just have a custom model created by someone else and you have already uploaded it, so you can directly upload it using this code over here. You can check it from 19th line to 24. You can directly upload it on your repo. Again, check my other videos. So once you have that uploaded in your Hugging Face, it will look something like this. So just give me a second. I'll go back to my repo and check my models. So there are two models. Yeah, so this is the one that I created, incident impact model. What I want to do, I simply want to use this model to predict the impact. I'll click on deploy and then click on inference API. And here is a simple REST API method, which I can use to call this model and do the classification. I have to provide the input. Input is nothing but the short description and the header. Header is the access token. Again, the video, how to get the access token, video is in the description. So I'll simply copy this code, maybe JavaScript a little bit. So I'll go. So what I have done is I've already created a business rule, which will call this when I'll update a incident, it will call that API and provide me the score. Okay, so this is the impact prediction business rule. This XML link to this XML of this business rule is also in the description. So here, if I'll just go through quickly to on this. So here you'll see. So this is the REST endpoint, which is the repo that we have created. And in the short description, in the input, the payload, I'm providing short description as the input. What I want is to update the description of the incident with the score that which is the if it is like zero impact or more, two impact or three impact. Okay. Now, if I'll go to any incident table and like suppose this one, and my laptop is not working. Okay. Let me just update it and see what should be the score of it. One thing I've noticed though, when you're creating your own model, it goes to sleep very quickly. So you may get result that, yeah, model is currently loading and estimated 20 seconds. So it's 20 seconds. Okay. So but I think that is because it's a free, so the whole deployment is free, and that is why it is happening. So you can just simply, for the proof of concept, you can run it again. And here you see, so my laptop is not working. A 0 is low. Label 1 is, so these are the impact labels. 0 is low, 1 is high, and 3 is, 1 is medium, and 2 is high. And as you can see, it is more low, so 52%. I talked in the last video that because we trained the model on a demo data, that's why the accuracy was very low, and which is understandable. But still, it was able to find out that, yeah, it is a low impact incident. Um, high means medium is also 44% chance that it can be medium, and there are very little chances that it is high. So I think it is good. You can manipulate this data, just JSON format, and provide the impact on the basis of that. But yeah, it's pretty low. So that was so here. Let me just reiterate the whole thing that we have done till now. We downloaded the data of incident from our PDI over here, and created a model, machine learning model, to predict the impact based on the short description, and then uploaded that model on the Hugging Face repo. So this is the Hugging Face repo where we uploaded our model. You can see the files. This is a public library, public repo, and you can even use it, like my here also. My laptop is not working. So approximately the same thing. And you can also see that what does it mean? So 0 is low, and 1 is medium, and 2 is high. Now, so this was the second part. Third part is we used deploy method inference API to use this model, which has 109 million parameters, and to do the prediction. And because our accuracy, as I mentioned over here, was not that good, that's why you will not get good results from this one. And that is all because of the data. I use demo data. If you'll use, while creation of your model, you'll use better data, your accuracy will shoot up, and you have a really good model which is doing prediction. And the whole concept, everything, whole setup is free of cost. It didn't charge you anything. So thank you for listening to me. And please let me know if you have any questions. Mail me.